What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. My name is Karabo. For some of you guys who are new here, welcome to my channel. I appreciate you clicking onto that subscribe button. It means the world to me. And if you are new here, haven't subscribed to my channel as yet, I'd love for you to do so right now before we continue with the video. It's the red rectangular box somewhere down there. Click onto that as well as the bell next to the subscribe button in order for you to receive notifications when I do upload a video. In today's video, I am showing you guys how to take care of your braids during this shutdown / lockdown period. I've had these on for the past 2.5 to 3 months, which is a really long time, so you can only imagine what is going on under here. The growth is insane, but I always try my level best to keep them neat and tidy and smelling fresh. So I'm giving you guys my tips and my tricks on how to take care of your braids and keep them neat when you have them on for a pretty long time. And yeah, if you're interested in watching the video, stay tuned. If not, don't forget to click onto the subscribe button, which should be somewhere down there, before you head on over to the next video. Okay, I think that's the intro done. I really think that's the intro done. Anyway, let's get into it. Oh boy, this is actually pretty serious. Like, look at that growth. The growth is insane. Oh my goodness. First things first, I'm gonna go in with this Collab dry shampoo. It's actually kind of finished. It's gonna have to work for this video. I'm just going to spray this all over my scalp as well as the roots of my hair, just to bring back a much more fresh, clean smell, because y'all know how it is with braids if you've had them on for a long time, for a long period like me. So I'm just going to, you know, freshen up the braids, freshen up the scalp, the hair, and all of that. Alright, so next I'm going to go in with this Cantu Shea Butter Tea Tree and Jojoba Hair and Scalp Oil. I'm not too sure if I'm pronouncing this correctly or if I'm butchering the name, but this is by far the best oil or hair and scalp oil that I've ever used on my natural hair. This really moisturizes my hair like no other. My hair is very dry, and this right here has been by far the best thing I've ever used for my hair ever. And I'm not a natural hair enthusiast in any way. Okay, so once you're done massaging the oil into your hair and your scalp, now you can start with the styling, depending on what you want to do with your hair on that particular day. I actually want to tie this up in a bun. In order for me to keep this up in a bun is to separate the first 2 rows with the rest of the hair. I think this should make an entrance as well. Yeah, I'm going to keep these braids in front. Keep these. Yeah, let's keep these in front. And then we're gonna tie the rest of the hair at the back. Okay, cool. So once that's done, what I'm going to do is take my comb and just kind of comb all this up in to position. So these 2 lines are already done. We're just going to continue with these others. So these are done. I'm going to put these to the back because they are pretty much done. I already twisted them. Mousse. Just sometimes getting a clear indication of which hair to twist, you'd want to redefine the blocks. Do we see that? Do we see the transformation already? But this looks so much better compared to this. So this is total ratchetry, but this over here, this is good stuff. This is nice and clean. Right, once I'm done, I'm gonna tie it up into a ponytail. Just hope I get it right, because once it's in a ponytail, I can't really fix it up. Like this, can't fix this when it's already in a ponytail. Okay, so next, tie it into a bun. Right, now I'm just going to brush my edges into place. I could use some mousse to help me with that. Oh, oopsie. I'm gonna use my Got2b spray. Just gonna cover my braids because I don't want them to be all gunky and all of that. And then put them into place. That works. One last thing to do is get some mousse and place it on the braids. This is for all the flyaways that are on the braids. So you want to keep them nice and flat. So you're gonna put some mousse on. I'm just gonna brush the back just to make sure that the coily hair is nicely straightened or stretched out. And then the final touch is to, excuse me, to put on a hairband. After a couple of minutes, hours, whatever, however long you keep this headscarf on, you can take it off and you have your results. So this is pretty much what it looks like. I get super excited every single time I revamp my braids because I feel like a human being. And they're very nice, very neat, and I can tell you they smell much better compared to how they smelled before I started this video. So yeah, this is it. I actually like this. I hope that you enjoyed this. I hope that you found it helpful, and I hope that you will try it out if you have braids on, of course. And I can't believe I filmed an entire video without makeup on. Man, that's some level of confidence, huh? Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Wishing you guys love, joy, peace, happiness, and greatness, of course, but most importantly, blessings directly from above onto you and yours. To meet again in the next video, of course. Mwah. Goodbye.